Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Midjourney. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create any kind of flyer using AI. And one good thing is that you don't need to have any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. Yes, you don't need to know how to use CorelDRAW or Photoshop before you can design, before you can create any kind of flyer. Yes, all you need is just a well-structured prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to generate a well-structured prompt in order for you to create any kind of design or flyer using AI, and it is absolutely free. Yes, 100% free. I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you have to do is to head over to your ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see, okay, here we are on ChatGPT. So there are two ways in which we can generate our prompt to create our design. Okay, you must not be a prompt engineer before be able to create a stunning design using AI. The first method is by writing a detailed description of what you want to design. Okay, you just have to go ahead, write a detailed description of what you want to design. Okay, and the second method is by using an image reference. Okay, so we are going to first go with the first method. Okay, and then at the course of the video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the second method, which is the simplest way. But for now, let's go with the first method. So make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information. The first method, what you need to do is to write a well-detailed description of what you want to design. Now, I want to design a restaurant flyer, right? So now, what I have to do is to write a well-detailed description of what I want to generate, and then I'll take ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize my prompt for me. Okay, now watch me as I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to say design a modern, stylish restaurant food menu flyer in portrait. Yeah, I want it to be in portrait orientation. Yeah, professional and visually balanced. All right, so here's my own understanding of the flyer that I want to design. Okay, the restaurant flyer that I want to design. This is just me pouring out how I want the design to look like. Okay, this is not actually the prompt. I'm just trying to pour out everything that I understand concerning the design to ChatGPT. Okay, this is not actually a prompt, right? This is not a prompt yet. This is just me describing everything that I know concerning the design to ChatGPT. Now see what I'm going to do. Now, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me in order for me to get a better result. With that, ChatGPT is going to write a new version of this my prompt for me, and then I'll just have to go ahead and copy the one that ChatGPT write and create my design. Okay, now watch me as I'm going to do it. Okay, now see what I write. I say act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me to get a better result. With this, ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this my own prompt for me. ChatGPT is going to rewrite a new version of my prompt for me, okay? And I'm going to go ahead, copy the one that ChatGPT write, edit it to fit what I want, and then go ahead and generate my design from any image generating application, okay? So now go ahead and hit generate. Okay, now ChatGPT have optimized this prompt for me. Now this is a new version of my prompt for me. As you can see, if you look very well, this one is well structured. Okay, it is well structured than the one that I write on my own. Okay, so now I just have to go ahead and copy this one that ChatGPT write, and then I'll paste it on ChatGPT again. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it and remove what I don't want, like all this one. You know, it shouldn't be there, so go ahead and remove it, and then add anything that I want and remove anything that I don't want there. Okay, all right, so those are the things that shouldn't be there. You have to just remove it. Okay, you go through it. Okay, now I want to change this. This shouldn't be whiteboard. Okay,
it should be the kind of like orange. That is how I want it to be. You can go ahead and edit it to fit what you want. Remove anything that you don't want and add anything that you want there. Okay, now I've edited this prompt very well to fit what I want. Okay, all I have to do is to copy this one that I edited. Okay, so now copy everything and then open a fresh page. Always open a fresh page. Okay, always open a fresh page. Okay, go ahead and paste your new prompt that you just copied. Paste it on a fresh page and then go ahead and hit generate. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from ChatGPT. Let's see how our design is going to come out. The flyer, let's see how it's going to look. Okay, let's watch and see the magic. All right, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Wow, look at the design, right? Look at the design. This is what I want and I got it, right? Wow, look at the prompt. Look at the design. Okay, this is perfect, guy. This is good. This is too real to be AI. Wow. So I don't even need to pay any graphic design to design a restaurant flyer, to design any kind of flyer for me again. Look at this, guy. This is cool. This is nice. Okay, so just go ahead and save your design. Okay, and one good thing about this AI design is that the quality is top notch. Okay, the quality is, it designed the highest quality. Okay, we got the highest quality of image. Okay, we download it using the best quality, and that is one thing I love about it. Okay, and there's something again, there's one good thing about this AI design is that if I head over to Midjourney or DALL or any other image generating application, I'm going to get the same design. I'm going to get almost the same design. Okay, that is why I call this prompt a template, a prompt template. Okay, I call it a template. Okay, now you know what? I like practical stuff. Let's copy this particular prompt, head over to any other image generating application and create this design again. Okay, let me copy this. I've copied the prompt. Now let me head over to, let me try Gemini. Okay, let me try Gemini first. Let's try Gemini. Okay, now let me paste our prompt. Okay, hit okay. Now let's watch and see what Gemini is going to have for us. Okay, look at that. Okay, you see, but this is perfect, guy. This is cool. Gemini have created the design also. You see, it's almost the same thing with ChatGPT. Okay, that is why I call this prompt a template. It is a prompt template. Okay, look at the design. This is cool. This is nice. You see, this is cool. This is nice. This is top notch. Okay, now let's try it out, this prompt on ImageFX, on Google ImageFX, and see the result. Okay, so head over to your Chrome, search for ImageFX. Okay guys, here we are on Google ImageFX. We want to test the prompt if we are going to get the same result as we got from Gemini and ChatGPT. Okay, and so after we test it, we now choose the best one that generate the best result. Okay, we are going to choose the one that create the best design. Okay, go ahead and paste your prompt. Okay, before you paste your prompt, let me show you the setting. Okay, if you look very well, you are going to see the setting. Click setting and then you are going to see best quality, right? Okay, you have to choose your aspect ratio. Okay, let me say I want it to be in portrait format. Okay, yeah, I want it to be in portrait format. Always choose your aspect ratio. Okay, and then go ahead and hit, and then go ahead and paste your prompt and hit generate. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Google ImageFX. Let's see the one that create the best design. Okay guys, look at that. Okay, wow, this is cool. This is nice. You see the design from Google ImageFX. Google ImageFX do not disappoint at all. Google ImageFX also give us a very good design. Okay, look at that. This is not bad at all. This is not bad, even though it's not as good as ChatGPT and Gemini, but at least it's perfect. It's okay. It's good. All right. Look at that. This is cool. This is nice. and it generates about 5 of it. So you just have to go ahead and download the one that you prefer. Okay, go ahead and download the one that you prefer. All right guys, so which one give you the best result? Look at the one from ChatGPT, look at this one from Gemini, and this one from Google Image FX. Which give you the best result? Okay. All right, so guys, let's make another example for a better understanding, because you may be thinking, what if you want your picture to be there? Okay, maybe you want to add your own picture. Okay, maybe a birthday flyer or a design that require your face to be on the flyer. So how do you do that? Now let me walk you through how to design the one that will have your face there, the one that will have your picture on it. Okay, now let me show you how to do that.
A quick one before we dive into the second example. If you are interested, if you want to take your AI design to the next level, if you want to know how to use AI to create any kind of design, I highly recommend you to join our mentorship program. Yes, and we are going to be walking you step by step on how to create any kind of design using AI. Not just that, we are also going to be teaching you how to create any kind of realistic AI video just like this.
Are you a Nigerian living in the diaspora? Don Frio Export Services Ltd is your most trusted partner for shipping all your Nigerian goods. Bushmeat, dried fish, ubomo, and more. Shipped to the UK, USA, Canada, Europe, and Asia. We deliver fast, safely, and right to your Afro warehouse, restaurant, or family's doorstep.
Mama, I won't go market to buy food stuff before sun hot.
Okay, my daughter, but not stay long go.
Girls, if you see the guy where they sell fish for market today, the guy too fine. And that you know they crush you.
Yes, if you join the mentorship, we are going to be teaching you all this type of realistic AI video and also designing using AI. So if you are interested in joining our mentorship program, check the description of this video and you are going to see our mentorship WhatsApp handle. Reach out to us on WhatsApp. Thank you. I'll see you in class. Now let's continue from where we stop.
As I promised, I'll teach you the best way to generate your prompt. Okay, if you don't want to go through that long process, there's an easiest way that you can easily grasp your prompt. So make sure to stick with me to the very end of the video. Pay very close attention. Okay, just like the first example, but this time around we want to generate a birthday flyer. Okay, a birthday flyer. So I'm going to pour out everything that I understand in detail to ChatGPT. Okay, and then I'll tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize my prompt for me, just like the way we did the first one, right? Okay, but you don't need to worry. Like I say, I'm going to teach you the automatic way to do this. Okay, the best and the easiest way, the second method to generate a prompt. That one is very easy. All you need is to just pay very close attention. It's very good for me to teach you the manual method and also the automatic method. The automatic method is very easy. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that one. Immediately we generate this flyer, I'm going to teach you how to use that automatic method. Let me quickly write this one. Design an elegant and glamorous birthday flyer for a woman. Glowing, festive atmosphere. Alright, so this is my own understanding of the design that I want to create. Okay, so I'm going to tell ChatGPT now to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. Okay, see, I tell ChatGPT act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT is going to rewrite a new version of this my prompt for me. Okay, and then go ahead and hit generate. Okay, so now as you can see, if you look very well, this prompt is well structured. Okay, all I need to do now is to go ahead and copy this particular one that ChatGPT write, paste it, and then edit it like the way I edit the other one, right? I'm going to edit it also. Impact. Okay, I prefer this font. Okay, you just have to edit it just like the first one. Add anything that you want and remove anything that you don't want. Okay, and then go ahead and copy it, and then open a fresh page. Okay, and then go ahead and paste your prompt. So this is a new prompt that I edited, okay, a prompt that I just edited to fit what I want, and then go ahead and hit generate. Okay, now our design is being generated. Now let's watch and see the magic from ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see. All right guys, see, look at that. You see, this is cool, guy. This is nice. Wow, this is cool, this is nice. Okay, I'm just designing this for the purpose of those that want to put their face on the design. Okay, now the big question now is that what if you want this woman, okay, this woman on this image, what if you want the woman to be maybe your face, or you are designing for a client? This is how you are going to do it. Okay, this is how you are going to do it. Now go ahead and upload an image of the woman that you want it to be. Okay, I'm looking for a picture that I can use. All right, let me see. I want to use this woman. Okay, let me use this woman. Okay, now, okay, you see that instead of this particular woman on this image, I want this one to be showing. Okay, I want to replace this woman with this nana. See how I'm going to do it. Okay, see what I tell ChatGPT. I say use this woman instead. Don't change the face or anything. Okay, so now instead of this particular woman, ChatGPT is going to use this woman. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see the magic from ChatGPT. This image, the size of the image, if you look very well, I say Instagram size. Okay, Instagram size, that is 1:1. Okay, you can go ahead and adjust it. It's from the prompt. That is why the image is like this. All right, guys, this is cool, this is nice, right? You see that, look at the woman face, look at it. Okay, now see, look at the real design, look at the design, the first design. So now I want to change it using this woman, and then here we go. Okay, we got it right. This is what we want, and we got it right. Even though there's a little changes, I think there's a little changes, a slight change, but it's not really that much. This is AI. You might not get exactly 100% the same thing. That is just the truth. Let me not lie to you. You might not get this 100% the same thing, but most probably you are going to get what you want. Look at the woman, look at the design. Okay, it was like this. I want this woman there, and I got the woman here, right? So this is how to use your own image on the design. If you want to place your face, if you want to use your face, this is how to do it. I hope you find this helpful, right? Okay, I promise you that I'm going to teach you the best way to generate the prompt, because it's very, very important to know how to generate the prompt. Alright guys, so the second method on how to generate the prompt, this is how you can generate your prompt, the easiest way to generate your prompt. Come here, upload, maybe you see a design. Let's use, okay, upload this design. Now see what I'm going to do. Okay, if you notice, you see that I just uploaded the design that we just made. Okay, that restaurant flyer design, the first one, I uploaded it. Why do I upload it? Let me say you see a particular design, you want to create that type of design, but you don't know how to write the prompt. Upload it to ChatGPT. This is one of the best way to write a prompt. Okay, to structure your prompt. If you don't know how to structure prompt, just find the kind of design that you want to create, and then bring it to ChatGPT, and then tell ChatGPT, study this flyer very well, and write a detailed prompt to create exact type of restaurant flyer using ChatGPT. Okay, see what I write. Okay, so if you see any design that you love, okay, any design that you want to create in this world, most probably someone must have created, like it's online. Search for a design that you want to create, bring it to ChatGPT, and then generate the prompt. Okay, now I've uploaded the design. This is the design that we just first created using the manual method. This one, I call this one automatic method. Okay, now I upload the design. Is for example, right? I uploaded the design and I tell ChatGPT, study this restaurant flyer very well and write a detailed prompt to create exact type of restaurant flyer using ChatGPT. If you want to generate it from Midjourney or DALL, say using DALL or using Google Image FX, but now I'm writing this one because I want to generate it from ChatGPT. Okay, and then go ahead and hit generate. All right, okay, you see that. Now this is a prompt to generate this design. This first design that we just generated, this is the prompt. Okay, perfectly. It's a very simple something. It's just sense, guy. Sense won't kill me. This is cool. This is nice. So this is how to generate a prompt. If you see any design that you want to create, you don't know how to create it, come here, generate the prompt from here. This is me revealing secret to you. A lot of people have been hiding this thing for a very long time now. Okay, a lot of people that is teaching how to design using AI, they have been hiding it now. I've exposed them. Please tell me something nice, because this is not easy. A lot of people will come after me because I just exposed this thing now, and a lot of graphic designer will be very, very angry with me. Why? Because I just exposed their secret. This is very, very easy. You know, designing with AI is very simple, fast, and the image quality is top notch. Okay, so I just exposed their secret. So make sure you tell me something nice. Don't just go like the video, comment on, drop a comment. And if you want to join my mentorship, like I said, if you want to join my mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, go ahead, check the description of this video. You are going to see my mentorship phone number or WhatsApp number. Go ahead, chat me up, and I'll walk you step by step on how to design using AI, and not just design using AI, how to generate a realistic AI video, just like the one I showed you that time. Okay,
So this is basically how to create any kind of flyer using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And also, if you're watching from YouTube, please make sure to tell me something nice. Yes, you know I've reviewed a whole lot of secret to you, and you can only find this type of secret on this channel only. So make sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you will be notified. Yes, if you want to learn more about AI, how to use AI to do incredibly work, make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out any content from us. I'm Big Jonah, as per usual friend. Hand to head, salute, bye.